How you doing? Today I'm going to tell you what a cell bomb is. This is going to be my cell for demonstration. Cell bomb is one of the many different forms of cell destruction. Some of the other forms use enzymes to mutilate the cell membrane so you can get to your intracellular structures. One of the other ways is to use beads, either glass or ceramic or steel, and those are put in with the cells into an aqueous solution, stirred up really hard, and it breaks apart. It beats the cell walls to death, and they just break apart. One of the other ways is through sonication. They take this probe and they put it in your aqueous solution with your cells, and the sound waves go through there and burst open the cell walls, again releasing your intracellular structures that you can use. Say if you want to look at the proteins or the, DNA as a whole, if you want to look at it. And this is beneficial because when you break open the cell wall, you're not going to be damaging any of those structures that you want to analyze. But the way I'm going to talk to you about today is through a cell bomb. A cell bomb, they use nitrogen or some other kind of inert gas, and they force it into the cells, like if I were to blow up the balloon. And they do this using a pressurized chamber, kind of like if a diver were to dive deep into the sea. The pressure is going to increase on his body, and nitrogen, little nitrogen bubbles are going to build up in his body tissue. And if the diver comes up too fast, then they can get what's called the bends or decompression sickness, or I'm sure there's some other names as well. With the cell bomb, when divers come up, they put them in a decompression chamber so they kind of slowly release it so that they don't have to worry about, popping their cells and dying. But with a cell bomb, getting back on track, with a cell bomb, the pressure can be up to like 25,000 psi, which is absolutely ridiculous. And once they get it to the pressure that they want, they just go and go and go and go until finally pops, and you have all of your pieces of proteins and whatever else you want to analyze just everywhere, as you see. Other forms similar to this are used for homogenizing milk, and that's why when you buy milk in the store, it's homogenized. All the little pieces of fat have been broken down. Those cell walls have been just destroyed so that you don't get your separation between the water and the milk. That's one of the ways we can use it. The other way, more of a scientific way if you want to use it in the lab, is destroying the cell membrane through the pressure or through sonication or something like that. You're not going to damage any of your little pieces, so you can still use them for your experiment. Thank you.